Storyline is very important when it comes to trading advanced MSNR. Welcome to Komepips. In today's video, you are going to learn about storyline and how you can use this for advanced MSNR. Now, in case you don't know what key levels are, I want you to check my videos when you are done watching this so that you understand what key levels are, because in storyline you need key levels, you need time frames, and of course you are going to need the candlesticks themselves. So the MSNR storyline is very important. What are they? Storyline simply is the trend of the market. Where is the trend? So understand that every chart has a story. Every chart, every market has a story. So when we say storyline, we are literally talking about the narration of the market per time. So we're talking about the story that the market is giving to us, and because of this story is what we are going to use to enter our trade, to make our decision. And therefore, when we say storyline, we are talking about what exactly is the current story of the market, what is the current bias. So simply put, in MSNR, storyline is you knowing the bias of the market. So without further ado, let's dive right in. As earlier promised, we are not going to use diagrams, as it were. We'll go straight to the chart. So understand that in order for us to do that, you need to understand key levels. So for example, we have this as a line, we have this as a key level, and this key level can be in form of, this is key level, and we have this as a key level. So this one here can be in form of the weekly. This can be a weekly level, weekly time frame, right? So we can call this weekly key level. Let's take this to the right, and we can call this, let's say this is daily key level. So you want to stick to weekly and daily key levels if you want to increase your win rate, because on the lower time frame you are going to get a lot of fake out, a lot of confusion. So what does this imply? This means that market will bounce from one key level to another key level. It will bounce back to the other key level, and if peradventure it breaks, of course it's going to bounce to another key level from here. So let's go straight to the chart as earlier stated. So on the chart, what we need to do is, let's say we come to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we want to identify key levels. So where are the key levels that we want to identify? So let's assume that we are on here. Now there are different types of key levels, like different types. I'm going to make more videos on that. In case you want me to make videos on the types of key levels, kindly let me know in the comment section below. There are different types of key levels. We have the A-shaped key level, we have the V-shaped key level, we have the OCL, which is open close key levels and whatnot. So in order for you to mark your key levels, understand that we only need the open and the close of two candles. So for example, this is the close of the bullish candle and this is the opening of the bearish candle. So which one do you draw? You draw the closing price. Remember, in trading MSNR, you need to understand and mark closing prices, not the opening price. You are not concerned with the opening prices, you are only concerned with the closing prices. So for example, this is an OCL, and of course this is a type of OCL, and of course you can mark this, and this is a rejection. Now when we have a rejection from a key level, say weekly key level, monthly key level, or daily key level, when we have a rejection, we'll need to confirm that key level in order for us to say, okay, we have now changed storyline, or a new storyline has begun. So a storyline starts when a key level is touched and when that key level is confirmed. So how do we confirm the key level? Of course, I'm going to tell us subsequently. So first, you need to understand and map out the key levels that are being tapped. So for example, that's a key level that price is currently reacting from. And of course, this is also a key level that price is reacting from. This is an OCL key level. Now, how do we confirm this? On weekly time frame, you want to go to daily time frame. If your key level is on daily, you want to go to 4-hour time frame. If your key level is on monthly, you want to confirm on the weekly. So now that this key level is on weekly, where do we confirm? Into 1, 2, daily. We confirm on daily time frame. So how do we confirm that? So this, of course, is coming from the weekly. This is the weekly key level, right? So let's say this is the weekly key level. Let's type it so that you can see weekly key level, right? So we have this as weekly key level, and we need to look for what? Daily breakout. This is daily breakout. So simply put, daily breakout, right? This is a breakout or change in state of delivery according to ICT. Yes, it's a change in state of delivery because price was first going to the upside and then started coming down. So there's a change in the state of delivery. The process of going up, it's a delivery, and when it's coming down, is a delivery. However, this bullish delivery is being changed to bearish delivery. Now, there is something you must also note about identifying breakout, which I'm going to tell us in the next 2 to 3 minutes. Just stay with me. So now we have a breakout. So this breakout shows us, reveals to us the storyline, gives us an opportunity to say, okay, we are now in the bearish storyline. However, you need to pay attention that if price is coming from a weekly storyline, there's what we call roadblocks. Roadblocks will be on the breakout time frame. And what is the breakout time frame? If the key level is on weekly, the breakout time frame is now on daily, which means your roadblock is also on daily. Therefore, you can mark daily key levels. So marking daily key levels, you want to see price react from that, because price will likely react from that. And if price wants to change bias, if price wants to change storyline, MSNR storyline, then all it will do is that it's going to react, reject, and create another storyline to the upside. Do you understand? So for example, this is a daily key level. So let's type that, daily key level. And the good thing about advanced MSNR is that whenever price wants to change momentum, whenever price wants to change storyline, wants to change bias, it gives you an hint, it gives you an intention, right? It gives you an intention. All right. Now, do you remember that I said I'm going to show you how to understand breakout? This is it. Now, we have a daily rejecting daily from here. Now, where is the first point that price tapped our key level? Is it this one? Is it this point? No. Is it this point? No. Is it this point? Yes. So, if this is the point at which price taps our key level, then where exactly is the valid breakout? In this scenario, the valid breakout would be this high. This would be a valid breakout. Now, I want us to rewind and go back to the weekly time frame. So I will show you how this played out on weekly. On the weekly time frame, we had the weekly rejecting weekly here, and we need to confirm the breakout, which is on the daily. Now, at what point did price tap the weekly time frame? This point. Therefore, the swing that formed that level is the breakout. So as you can see, this is the breakout. It's different from the one we saw on the 4-hour breakout. Do you understand? Now, having said that, I want us to proceed. coming to the daily time frame, say you want to pick your key level from the daily. So this is a daily key level, so we can call this daily rejecting daily. So when daily reject daily, it's an indicator that price might likely want to change a storyline. However, you must wait for confirmation, because sometimes it might not happen the way you want to see it. So let's confirm this. And one way to check this with ease is to just put a vertical line on there. You are going to know, it's going to tell you exactly where you need to mark and where you need to use to confirm your breakout. So as you can see, where is our breakout? This is the tap. And where's the swing that was formed before that tap? This swing. So can we say this is our breakout? Emphatically, yes. This is our MSNR breakout, and is a break of structure and changing state of delivery, right? So once this breakout is confirmed, what else? It means that price wants to continue to the downside. So if peradventure you take a trade, this becomes your first target, and subsequently this becomes your second target. Of course, by the time we begin to delve into advanced MSNR for a long time, you are going to understand why we are picking this and why we are picking this. By the way, in case you want to join my mentorship, we are starting our advanced MSNR trading this coming week, and for August students, enrollment is ongoing. So I want you to join it so that you don't miss out with the relevant information. All right, all you need to do, in case you want to join my mentorship, check the video description and make your decision. And peradventure you want a one-on-one coaching from me, also check the video description as well. And if you are not listening, if you don't hear English, our courses is also available in other languages. You can be able to learn from with other languages as well. All right, so let's come back to the video. Do you understand what storylines are now? In case you are still confused, let me know in the comment section below. Now, in order for you to get the highest win rate from MSNR Storyline, now you need to stay with daily, weekly, and monthly time frames. These are time frames price will often react from them on the lower time frame. Majority of the time is going to react from them with lower time frame. So stick to daily, weekly, and monthly. So let's look for one more example. What kind of storyline, or rather what kind of key levels should you be using in order for us to mark a storyline? This I will tell you in few minutes. All right, just stay with me. Let's look for one more example before I tell you that. This is daily reject daily. So we can say daily reject daily. And after the daily reject daily, what do? We map our vertical line. It will tell us where the breakout will be without us training ourselves. So daily reject daily, this was the first tap. So if this is the first tap, it means this is what? Our breakout. Here. This is our breakout, because this was the tap that entered into it. Potentially, this is the external breakout as well, because this was outside the line. Do you understand? So this is our breakout. Okay. Now, how do you know the kind of key levels to use as your MSNR storyline? Should you use OCL? Should you use QMs? Should you use A-shaped classic levels? Now, this depends on the types of key level. This depends on the type of key level. We have different types of key levels. We have types of OCLs. We have types of A-shape and V-shape key levels. We have types of QMs. We have types of breakouts. These 4 types, we have different types. These are the things that will tell you whether you should use an OCL. For example, should you just use this OCL as a key level for your storyline? No. Why? because this is a type of OCL which I'm not going to say in this video. In case you want to learn that, you will learn that on the advanced MSNR trading course. Yes, because there you are going to learn the various types of OCL that I personally use. All right, and of course, in case you want to know the various types of classic and A-shaped key levels or V-shaped key levels, the same thing applies. Okay, believe me, this will change the way you see the market and is going to increase your win rate. So in this video, we did not really talk about entries. We're strictly focusing on storyline because I want you to get to understand what storylines are and be able to understand this and trade it effectively. I hope this video meets you well, and of course, remember to like the video and reach out to others, share to others, subscribe, and feel free to watch the video on the end screen. And if you want to join my mentorship, of course, registration is currently ongoing. Reach out to me on Telegram. Check the video description for details. See you on the profitable side of the market. This is Komepips.